Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's your next tip.
Something that I think we've all experienced at one time or another is accidentally enabling selection filters and then not knowing why you can't select anything. You might even notice this strange pink symbol next to the cursor, but if you don't know what that means, it's not much help. I used to not know what was going on when this happened, so I would just restart SOLIDWORKS, which always seemed to fix it. These selection filters can be useful if you're having trouble selecting only certain things, but are also pretty easy to turn on accidentally, which can cause problems. If you find yourself unable to select something, a quick check would be to hit the F6 key, which toggles any currently selected filters on or off. There are also some more specific ones, like X for faces, or E for edges, and V for vertices. If you want a little more control, you could also press the F5 key, which will bring up the selection filter toolbar, or in the right click menu, there's also a drop down with this pink filter symbol. This will allow you to see what is active and what you could activate. So next time you're having trouble selecting any geometry, this is definitely something you can check before reporting a bug.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions and I'll see you tomorrow.